Here is a nice little circuit for making a broadcast band transmitter or for using it at 630 meters. And you get about 100 milliwatts out of the circuit. And by driving an IRF 9540 MOSFET, I got 4 watts out of it. And the audio is pretty good. So that range for 630 meters is 472 to 479 kilohertz, and it's limited to 5 watts EIRP. And these are the values, the components that I used for that. And this was my first little circuit board that I made up. See if I can get that in focus for you. There. And I just used kind of a bug mount and mounted all the components on there. I use these little PCB chips that I cut with a, you can see them better up here. Those are little PCB chips that I cut with a notch tool. And then I use super glue to put them on there. And I'm driving it with a 9-volt battery, and I've got an electric microphone on there. It drives it directly and gives you really good audio. I've got a 0.01 microfarad output capacitor. And the way I envisage using this as a broadcast band transmitter is to install a jack, replacing the microphone with a jack, and then a 5K trim pot, and then plugging the Bluetooth device into that. So I'll keep my old-time radio music on my cell phone, and then use Bluetooth to connect to this. And what I use for an antenna is actually the ground wire on the AC house current. And just by grounding it to that, you get good distribution of the RF, and that'll provide a good enough signal. I can play my old-time records on my Philco Junior radio. Have fun.